Hello everyone, welcome to the ElliottWave.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 12th and the chart of the day for today is Microsoft MSFT 45 minutes time frame here. So we can see the Microsoft is currently rallying higher within the wave 5. Within the wave 5 we do have enough number of swing to finish. If I want to, for example, I can call this 1, 2 in black, 3, 4 in black, and then 5 in black could be finished here, and that will end 5 in red. Now, if that is the case, then basically we will be getting a bigger pullback, not just this short-term pullback here. But I think the more important message that I want to mention here is not just line by line in the very short term, but it's the general idea of Microsoft. Okay, so if I look at the daily time frame, and I'm going to be focusing on this minor wave 4 here. So that's your wave 4 here, right? So let's fill in the remaining, right? So basically we should be ending with 5 here, like what we see in the 1 hour, right? It could be finished already. It can finish anytime, to be honest. It doesn't matter. I mean, nobody should be chasing this, to be honest. You are too late if you plan to chase this, right? You are too late. So give it a pass. If it does extend, it does extend. You don't need to be fearful of missing out. Okay, and let me fill in the 3 here, and that means most likely this is your 1 and 2 somewhere here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and soon, or it may have already ended, or soon will end. It doesn't matter. Soon will be ending with 5, right? Let's assume it's going to go higher a little bit more. So if you look at the structure now, first of all, take a look at this. We made new all-time high, and this is the pre-Trump tariff war. And this is the tariff war low, right? And then we make a new high, all-time high. So there's no question that we are still in a bullish market, right? It still makes new all-time high. And this one was clearly a 3 waves. It's not an impulse. And if you look at the structure here, it looks like a nest. And this looks like a higher degree 1, 2 to me. So it's a higher degree 1, 2. And the moment it finished 5, because I don't believe this is the same degree as this leg here, because look at the size of this versus this size. So this size is similar to this size. So from distribution point of view, you can say that it looks like we are actually still within the wave 3. All right. Now, of course, anything can happen. If we get a big pullback, then of course, okay, well, we call it 5 waves. But for now, the way it looks like, the distribution and the size, it looks like we are not yet even doing a wave 4 in blue here, right? This one, this size here is similar to this size. So we should be ending only with 5 of 3 from the low here. Then from there, we will be getting a little bit bigger pullback. It's not bearish. It's not bearish at all. It's making all-time high. It's not bearish. All it does is just a pullback, right? So I don't really think it's a good sell, short sell or anything like that. But it's going to be pulling back to correct this wave 3 here in a little bit larger degree. Typically can go to 23.6% retracement, or even sometimes 38.2. But anyway, a risk pullback before one more push higher to finish 5 waves up from this low here. So shorter cycle, what's the message here? The message is, I think we should be getting ready to finish 5 in red and also 3 in blue. That's the message, which is consistent with the Dow and the S&P, the one we had over the past 2 days. Right? It's too late for you to chase, right? But it's also not a good sell because it is a bullish market. So I think we can only just hope that we will be doing a pullback, right? And then I think based on this Microsoft count here, most likely we will see another leg up again. After the larger degree pullback is complete, it will be in 3 swing or 7 swing from the peak, right? So let's say if we start seeing a bigger pullback tomorrow like this, then you can say, okay, well, I will adjust the count, calling this 1 in blue here, 2 in blue here, 3 in blue here, 4 in blue here, right? And then 5 in blue, and then that means we are ending 5 in black, and we're ending 5 in red, and we're ending 3 in blue over here, and we start, you know, and then we're going to start the bigger pullback. So yes, that can happen, but for now there is no sign, as you can see, that a bigger pullback will be coming. So that's why we're still calling a bit more upside extension for now. Okay, but get ready for a little bit bigger pullback. But I think from the structure, it should be making one more push higher again after the larger degree pullback is completed. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys, for today. As always, if you want to get more updates on stocks or ETF, Forex commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. Here is our website, Elliottwave.com, and I will provide the direct link in the description of the video, right? So you can check out the trial, 14 days, only 99 cents for new members only. And then after that, if you want to see the different plans we have, you can click it here for different plans and pricing, as well as you can check our educational courses if you want to learn more about Elliott Wave. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. I'll see you guys again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.